In this week's hypnosis tutorial, we've got a lovely example of really training the unconscious mind how to respond. If you want to know what I mean, then keep watching and find out. Hi there, it's Turan here from Feel Good Hypnosis, and in this week's hypnosis tutorial we're looking at a lovely bit of street hypnosis where I'm doing an induction on this young girl. Now, I'm not only doing the induction, but I'm doing what's called a fractionation. To understand what that means, watch the video first and then we're going to break that down afterwards, so stay watching when the video clip ends. I really want to explain exactly what's going on inside this video and help you understand why I'm doing what I'm doing in the clip. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the big red subscribe button and the grey notification bell button next to that video so you get notified every time a new video comes out from Feel Good Hypnosis. And remember, if you have any comments about this, any questions about this, leave it in the comment section below. Make sure the comments are positive, make sure the comments are nice, and I'm really looking forward to chatting with you through the comment section. In the meantime, well, let's watch the video. So what's your name?
Caitlin.
Caitlin, how do you do, Caitlin? Look at your hand, look at the lines in your hand, pick one spot and one line. You don't need to point at it, just continue to stare at that spot. Just let that arm down, continue to stare at that spot.
Okay.
But notice as I move that hand towards your forehead. As I move that hand towards your forehead, and then once I let go, that hand continues to move towards your forehead all by itself, without any conscious thought on your part. There you go, see that moving now. There you go, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And notice now as that hand continues to move, getting quicker and quicker. How your eyes change focus, and as eyes change focus, just close your eyes down now and let that hand continue to float towards your forehead. Just let that hand continue to float towards your forehead all by itself. And your legs will support you, and your back will support you. But when that hand touches your forehead, your head will just drop down into your chest, your hand will drop down to its side, and you'll just go into a wonderful feeling of relaxation and go into trance. That's right. But your hand's getting closer and closer and closer now, getting faster and faster. Your legs will support you, your back will support you, and all the sounds around you will help you absorb you into this feeling of relaxation. That's right. Getting closer and closer now. And letting the breeze blowing through your head just help to absorb you into this wonderful feeling of trance. As that hand gets closer and closer, as your unconscious now knows that when that hand touches your forehead, you can just sleep now, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. And the deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting, sinking down even deeper still. And in a minute I'm going to drop this hand down on your side. When I drop that hand down by your side, just go 10 times deeper, way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed, letting all the sounds around you, letting the breezes blowing through you just allow you to go even deeper still. So 1 to 3, on the count of 3, only on the count of 3. You can open your eyes, you'll be back with me, but every time I say the word sleep, just let your head drop down to your chest, your eyes will close, and you'll double the relaxation that you're in now. Nod your head that you understand. Every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your head will drop down to your chest and you'll just double the relaxation you're in now. Nod your head that you understand. That's right. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and sleep now. Way down, even deeper, doubling that relaxation. 1, 2, 3, wide awake and sleep way down. So deep. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a lovely example of an induction. Now, people tell me, is speed important in carrying out the induction? And it doesn't matter. As you saw in this video, the girl was quite slow to respond, but that doesn't mean that she's a bad subject. It's just she's taking it at the rate and speed at which she's comfortable doing it. I told her hand would come towards her face, and well, you can see in that video it took quite a while for her hand to reach her forehead and touch her. During that time she was talking, and again, don't be put off if people talk, if people point. When you say look at a point in your hand and somebody points at it, don't be put off. Just say you don't need to talk. That's fine. You need to coach them through it. If they haven't seen you do that before, if they haven't gone through this process, they don't know what they're supposed to be doing or not supposed to be doing. So forgive them for anything that they do that you weren't intending them to do. She's chatting away and talking away, and I have to sort of coach her through that whole process. That's the process of training her in how to be induced into hypnosis. And I give her that time, and I give her that encouragement. I tell her along the way, that's right. So to give her that information that she needs to know everything's going to plan. During that time, there's a lot of noise in the background, and again, I'm coaching her along that process of saying, let all the sounds around you help to absorb you into this state so that she doesn't need to be
bothered by the sounds, but they'll actually encourage her. At one point you'll see wisps of her hair flapping around, and once again I'm encouraging her and training her that that is fine. Let the breezes blowing through your hair, through your head, just allow you to go even deeper. And at the appropriate point I let her hand touch her forehead and her head drops down onto her chest and she goes beautifully into trance. Now, because it's taken a bit of time, I want to make sure that she really understands what she's going to be doing every time I say the word sleep. So I tell her when she opens her eyes, every time I say the word sleep, she'll go back down inside. And I do that about 2 or 3 times, as you saw in that video, making sure every time she goes down into hypnosis. I wake her up and I say sleep, and she drops her head down. And look how she gets faster and faster every time I'm doing it, so that she's really familiar with that process of going back into trance. So I hope you found that tutorial useful. If you did, make sure you tell me all about it in the comments section below, and don't forget to give me that thumbs up, give me that like. And if you want to find out more videos about me, make sure you click the big red subscribe button and the bell notification button so you get notified when the new video is coming out. There's a new video comes out every Sunday, so make sure you watch out for the next one. Really enjoyed giving you this information. And if you want to learn, if you want to train in hypnosis, then I do provide training. So there's details of all my social media contacts and my email and my website in the description section below, so check that out as well if you're interested. In the meantime, see you next Sunday.